This storybook has made over $128,000 and this one has made over $70,000. In this video, I will tell you the complete roadmap to do exactly same by using ChatGPT. We will make e-storybooks as they have good profit margins because ChatGPT will do everything for free. There are some storybook businesses on Amazon making over $100,000 with just one book. Like this storybook has 11,735 ratings. If we multiply it with its price, it's $128,000, and this book right here has 5,506 rating with price tag of $12.99, which makes a straight profit of $70,000. If you watch this video till end, it will be super useful for you. And at the last, I will tell you how can you compete with other storybooks available on Amazon. So what we are waiting for? Let's go for it. Starting with the business model, we will use ChatGPT to produce stories and any random AI art generator to produce the cover images. So people will purchase if it looks good and then combine story and images and make an ebook in Canva. Then publish it to Amazon and have the profit. So now let's produce storybooks. Just go to ChatGPT and ask for storybook ideas. Choose one that can work according to you and have potential to be sold. I like this story idea, the time traveling twins. Now ask GPT to make a chapter page outline for your story. It will generate all chapters of your story, like in my case, chapter 1 A Curious Discovery, chapter 2 The First Leap, chapter 3 Pirates and Parrots, all the way up to the last chapter. Now to generate all chapters in brief, ask GPT to write chapter 1, then chapter 2, then chapter 3, all the way up to the last chapter. Now you have full story, it's time to turn it into a book. But first, go to any AI art generator. The best one is Midjourney, but it's not free. Our challenge is to make passive income completely free. So I choose to go with cutout.pro. Now you have to generate a cover image for your book. You can choose any main character or object of your story and ask AI to turn it into an image. In my case, I chose main character of my story, and this is what I got. Now edit this and try to make it like a book cover, and I made this. Now finally, it's time to make our final product, the book. But don't forget to subscribe. Go to Canva and upload book cover, then copy chapters from ChatGPT and paste it in Canva. You can use some free inbuilt elements in Canva to make it look good. And finally, we made it. Our book is ready. Just save it. Now go to Amazon KDP where you can publish your book. Just sign up and upload your book. Now you can ask your friends and family to give 5-star rating for your book on Amazon. Then it will stand your book out and you can compete with other storybooks. And one more way you can make high passive income is YouTube. But it's hard to grow your channel. I mean, it's completely wrong. Just check out this video, then you can break YouTube with one video, and I'm sure about that.